Okay, so today we're going to take a look at this little beauty. It's the AEG MF1400KE, and we're going to have a look at the various components and we're going to test it, and then a little bit later on we're going to mount it on a router table and see what it can do. So I'll just go and grab the camera and we'll come and have a closer look at the different components. Okay. Comes in a handy little bag. This is the motor unit. As you can see, I've already got a collet. This is an 8mm collet and the collet nut in place. This is the spindle lock here. Very, very simple to use. Very, very nice unit. May seem a little silly if I can bring it up here, but it's just got simple little things like a nice piece of Velcro to tie all the cable in. The power cable is about 3 meters long, I think, so it's very nice and handy. So this is the plunge unit here, and there's various components that fit with the plunge unit and various components which fits with the fixed base unit, which is here. So we'll do the fixed first. It comes with two different kinds of vacuum port. One for underneath the machine, and one that fits actually inside the base unit. And this is another base unit that can be fixed to the underside of the fixed base. So it has an additional handle here. Just gives extra stability when you're working above a router table. So for example, if you're routing the edge of a large table or something like that, this little device here, I'll come back a little bit. You can see here with the fixed base, this is the height adjusting unit here. Under there is this part here, and if we come underneath the base there's a hole, and this little Allen key fits through the hole, and you can actually adjust this here through the base, which I think is a very, very handy idea. Okay. Coming back to the plunge base here, it too has its own vacuum port. And what we've got here is a series of zero tolerance inserts. Come a little bit closer so you can see. In varying sizes. We've got this starting with one for a rather large cutter, coming all the way down to this one here, which measures about 15 millimeters across. To center these in the router, to make sure that you're not going to be hitting the edge of it with a router piece, we've got these aluminium inserts. This is the 8mm shank one. This is the 12mm shank, and this fits inside the collet. Then you put the zero tolerance insert over the top of this, and then you have a nice clean cut. But I'll show you that there a little bit later. So we've got the parallel fence here as well. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of stuff that fits in this bag. So let's start putting some of it together.